Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. Most people will never dare to admit. Men are not afraid of losing a beautiful woman. They are afraid of losing the woman who can't be replaced. The one whose silence speaks louder than arguments, whose confidence doesn't need validation, and whose presence commands respect. Men fear losing the woman who can walk away with grace, rebuild herself with power, and never look back. Because when a woman masters herself, her emotions, her purpose, her peace, she becomes the kind of woman no man can afford to lose. The truth is, men don't fear losing women because of beauty, status, or popularity. They fear losing women who are whole within themselves. The kind of women who don't chase attention, who don't settle for less, and who know that their value isn't defined by who stays or who leaves. These women walk with quiet confidence, not because they think they're better, but because they know they don't need validation to feel enough. They've built themselves piece by piece through storms and struggles, and they carry a strength that cannot be faked. Men fear losing women who have peace within them, because peace is rare. A peaceful woman doesn't react to chaos, she observes it. She doesn't fight for attention, she simply withdraws where she's not appreciated. Her silence isn't weakness, it's power. It's the kind of power that makes a man question his own chaos. When a woman learns to choose her peace over drama, she becomes magnetic. Her calmness becomes her crown. And when a man realizes that he can't shake her, can't manipulate her emotions, can't steal her serenity, that's when fear sets in. Men fear losing women who know their worth. Because you can't control someone who knows who she is. When a woman stops begging to be chosen, when she stops explaining her value, when she simply walks away instead of trying to prove, that's when her power becomes undeniable. She doesn't compete, she doesn't convince. She knows that love should feel safe, not like a battlefield. And that realization alone is enough to shift the entire dynamic. Because the moment she stops trying to earn someone's love, she becomes the one everyone wants to love. Men fear losing women who have purpose. A woman with a mission, with dreams bigger than her emotions, is unstoppable. She wakes up every day with something to build, something to fight for, something that fuels her soul. She's not waiting for someone to save her. She's too busy creating her own world. And when a man sees that, he knows she doesn't need him. She chooses him. That difference changes everything, because choice is power. Dependency breeds fear, but independence commands respect. Men fear losing women who speak with truth. A woman who isn't afraid to say what she feels, who doesn't shrink her voice to make others comfortable, is dangerous in the best way. She doesn't play games. She doesn't say, "I'm fine," when she's not. She speaks her mind, even if it shakes the room. And that honesty, that raw authenticity, makes her unforgettable. Because the world is full of people pretending, and she is real. Realness intimidates. It exposes the shallow. It forces people to rise or leave. Men fear losing women who can be alone. The woman who enjoys her own company holds a kind of power that can't be touched. She can walk into a room full of people and still feel whole. She can spend time alone and not feel lonely. She's not afraid of silence, not afraid of solitude, because she's made peace with herself. That kind of woman doesn't stay where she's tolerated. She goes where she's valued. She's not afraid to walk away because she's not afraid of what comes after. When a man realizes she's not staying out of fear but out of choice, that's when he understands how fragile his place really is. Men fear losing women who set boundaries, because boundaries say, "I respect myself." They say, "Well, you can't just take what you want from me and expect me to stay." A woman with boundaries doesn't allow disrespect. Not because she's harsh, but because she's learned what it costs to have none. She knows that every time she says yes to something that hurts her, she says no to herself. And she refuses to do that anymore. Her no is her protection. Her no keeps her energy sacred. And when a man realizes he can't cross those lines, he either grows or he goes. Men fear losing women who inspire them to be better, because deep down, every man knows when he's standing beside a woman who challenges his potential. The kind of woman who doesn't settle for average, who pushes him to face his fears, who believes in his greatness even when he doubts himself. She's not nagging, she's elevating, and that energy is addictive, but it also requires accountability. Because being with her means you can't hide behind excuses. You can't stay small. You can't be half present. And that's where the fear comes in. The fear of not being enough for a woman who knows exactly who she is. Men fear losing women who don't chase love but attract it. Because these women understand that love isn't something you beg for. It's something you align with. They radiate self-respect, self-care and self-love. And that energy pulls the right people toward them. They don't need to post about their worth, they live it. They don't need to compete for attention, they already have presence. When a man sees that she doesn't need his approval to shine, it forces him to look at himself and ask, am I someone she'd still choose if she didn't need me? That's a terrifying question, because it strips love down to truth, not attachment. Men fear losing women who forgive but don't forget. Because forgiveness doesn't mean she'll tolerate the same behavior twice. It means she's released the pain, learn the lesson, and move forward. But she's also watching who grows with her. She has compassion, but she also has clarity. She doesn't hold grudges, but she does hold standards. And when a man knows she won't keep giving unlimited chances, it forces him to step up or step out. Men fear losing women who love deeply but love wisely. Because these women love with their whole heart, but they've also learned that love without respect is just attachment. They give, they nurture, they support, but not at the expense of themselves. They know the difference between being loyal and being self-sacrificing. And once they've learned that balance, no manipulation, no guilt, no empty promises can keep them trapped. Men fear losing women who are constantly growing, because growth means change. And change means she may outgrow him. When a woman is always learning, healing and evolving, she won't fit into old versions of herself or old relationships that can't keep up. She won't apologize for leveling up. She won't shrink to make someone else comfortable. She'll keep walking, keep rising, keep becoming. And that's both beautiful and intimidating. Because to keep her, a man must grow too. The truth is, the kind of woman a man fears losing isn't the one who looks perfect or pleases everyone. It's the one who knows who she is, who refuses to betray herself for anyone, and who lives with purpose, grace, and quiet strength. She's the storm and the calm that follows. She's the one who makes a man realize that love isn't about possession. It's about appreciation. And the moment he understands that, it's often too late because she's already gone. Not in anger, but in peace, carrying everything she learned, everything she became, and everything that makes her unforgettable. And men fear losing women who are unpredictable in the best possible way, not because they play games, but because they evolve. One day she's soft and nurturing, the next she's fierce and unstoppable. She's not one-dimensional, she's layered, complex, and constantly surprising. You can't put her in a box or label her as just one thing. She can be gentle and powerful at the same time. She can care deeply yet walk away without a word when her soul isn't respected. Her emotions don't control her, they guide her. And that unpredictability keeps a man on edge, not in fear of her anger, but in awe of her power to transform and adapt with every challenge life throws her way. Men fear losing women who aren't easily impressed, because she's seen enough to know that words mean nothing without action. She listens, but she also watches. She can tell when promises are empty, when charm is shallow, when effort is temporary. You can't win her over with material things or grand gestures if your energy doesn't match your words. She values consistency over compliments, effort over excuses, and authenticity over appearance. And when a man realizes that his charm alone won't keep her, he feels the weight of having to truly show up every day with honesty, with intention, with real love. Men fear losing women who don't live for validation, because she's done chasing approval. She doesn't need 1,000 likes or constant reassurance to feel beautiful or worthy. She knows who she is even when no one's watching. She dresses for herself, speaks her truth for herself, and builds her life on her own standards, not society's expectations. That kind of self-assurance is rare, it's powerful, and it's intimidating, because when a woman no longer needs external validation, she becomes free. And nothing scares people more than a woman who can't be controlled by opinions. Men fear losing women who are emotionally intelligent because she doesn't react impulsively, she responds with awareness. She can read energy before words are even spoken. She understands that people act from their wounds, not always their intentions. She doesn't take everything personally, but she also doesn't tolerate repeated patterns of disrespect. She has empathy, but she also has limits. She knows when to listen and when to leave. And that emotional maturity demands the same from anyone who wants to be close to her. It forces others to reflect, to grow, to be accountable, and that level of depth can be both inspiring and terrifying. Men fear losing women who love themselves loud enough that others must rise to meet that standard. Because when a woman truly loves herself, she doesn't settle for half love from anyone else. She doesn't chase people who treat her like an option. She's not interested in begging for attention or competing for affection. She knows that the way she treats herself sets the tone for how others treat her. And that kind of love, the self-respecting, non-negotiable kind, demands a higher frequency of connection. It's not arrogance, it's alignment. And when a man feels that kind of energy, he either rises to meet her or fades into the background of her becoming. Men fear losing women who aren't afraid of failure. Because she doesn't crumble when things fall apart. She rebuilds stronger. She doesn't view mistakes as shame. She sees them as lessons. She's been knocked down, heartbroken, doubted, underestimated, but every single time, she's come back wiser, braver, and even more unstoppable. That resilience is magnetic, because a woman who isn't afraid to fall isn't afraid to live. She's not paralyzed by fear of judgment. She takes risks. She bets on herself. And that kind of courage terrifies those who rely on control or comfort. Men fear losing women who know when to walk away, because walking away takes strength most people don't have. It's easy to stay. It's easy to keep trying. But walking away from what doesn't serve your soul, that's power. That's self-respect. A woman who knows how to let go isn't cold-hearted. She's wise. Enough to understand that not every connection is meant to last. She doesn't beg, she doesn't plead, she simply accepts and moves forward. And when she walks away, she doesn't do it with anger. She does it with peace. That peace is what haunts those who thought she would stay, no matter how they treated her. Men fear losing women who protect their energy. Because energy is everything. She's careful about who she lets close, who she confides in, who she spends her time with. She knows that her peace is sacred and that not everyone deserves access to her mind or heart. She's not guarded. She's selective. She understands that love without boundaries leads to burnout, and connection without balance leads to chaos. So she chooses wisely. She keeps her circle small, her conversations meaningful, and her energy pure. And that level of discipline sets her apart, because she's not available to just anyone. Men fear losing women who are self-disciplined, because discipline creates independence. She wakes up early, she chases her goals, she invests in herself. She doesn't wait for motivation, she relies on commitment. She knows that success isn't built in a day, it's built in daily habits. She doesn't need someone to push her because she's already pushing herself. That kind of determination is rare. It's intimidating. It's powerful because it means she's not waiting for someone to build her life with her. She's already building it. Men fear losing women who see through everything because her intuition is sharp. She can feel when someone's intentions don't match their words. She can sense dishonesty even when it's wrapped in charm. You can't fake sincerity with her. She'll notice the shift in energy long before you say a word. She trusts her instincts more than anyone's explanations. That awareness keeps her safe, but it also keeps others accountable. Because when she sees through lies, she doesn't react. She detaches. She doesn't argue, she understands. And nothing is scarier than a woman who quietly owns the truth and chooses not to engage. Men fear losing women who are comfortable in their own skin, because she embraces her imperfections. She's not trying to fit into unrealistic standards or please everyone around her. She owns her flaws, her scars, her past, and her story. She understands that real beauty isn't perfection, it's authenticity. And that authenticity draws people in. It's magnetic because it's real. When she walks into a room, she doesn't need to be the loudest or the most glamorous. Her presence speaks for itself. She radiates a quiet confidence that says, I'm enough, exactly as I am. Men fear losing women who bring peace but aren't afraid of solitude because she's learned to find comfort in her own presence. She can sit in silence, sip her coffee and feel whole. She doesn't need noise, drama or distraction to feel alive. She knows that peace is the highest form of wealth. And when a man experiences her peace, he realizes it's not something he can create for her. It's something he must maintain within himself to keep her. Because once she's built a life that feels peaceful, she won't let anyone disturb it again. Men fear losing women who refuse to play small, because she doesn't dim her light to make others feel comfortable. She doesn't shrink her dreams to fit someone else's insecurities. She's bold about what she wants, unapologetic about her goals, and fearless in her pursuit of them. She's not waiting for permission to be great. And that can be intimidating to those who still hide behind excuses. But she doesn't do it to intimidate, she does it to inspire. Because she knows that every time she chooses herself, she gives others the courage to do the same. Men fear losing women who have mastered detachment because she knows how to care deeply without clinging. She knows how to love fully without losing herself. She understands that not everything meant for her will stay, and not everything that stays is meant for her. So she flows, she allows, she accepts, she doesn't chase, she attracts, and that balance between love and detachment is powerful because it means her happiness is never dependent on another person. It comes from within. Men fear losing women who have healed because a healed woman is dangerous in the most graceful way. She is no longer triggered by the things that once broke her. She doesn't respond from pain, she responds from wisdom. She doesn't repeat patterns, she recognizes them and breaks free. She doesn't seek revenge, she seeks peace. Healing gives her perspective, it gives her strength, it gives her freedom. And once she's reached that level of self-awareness, no manipulation, no guilt, no emotional game can pull her back into the darkness she fought her way out of. Men fear losing women who are rare, not because of what they look like, but because of what they've become. Women who move with grace, stand with strength, and love with depth. Women who no longer beg to be understood because they've learned to understand themselves. Women who aren't desperate to be loved because they already love who they are. These women don't chase, they lead. They don't break easily, they rebuild, and that's the truth. Men don't fear losing women who depend on them. They fear losing women who have learned to depend on themselves. Men fear losing women who bring light into darkness. The kind of women whose presence changes the energy of every room they walk into. When she enters, there's a shift. The atmosphere feels calmer, warmer, stronger. It's not because she's trying to be noticed. It's because she carries something within her that can't be manufactured. Her energy is pure, her intentions are clean, and her heart is radiant. She has been through enough pain to understand what peace truly costs. And when a man experiences that light, when he realizes that her presence makes his life better simply by existing in it, the thought of losing her becomes unbearable. Because once you've known light, the darkness feels heavier. Men fear losing women who live with purpose rather than pressure. She doesn't live to meet anyone's expectations. She doesn't move through life trying to prove her worth or gain approval. She moves with alignment, with intention, with heart. Her focus is not on pleasing others, but on fulfilling the mission within her. Whether it's her work, her passion, or her calling, she gives her all to it. She has direction, she has drive, and she has discipline. A woman who knows where she's going is powerful. She doesn't get lost in distractions, she doesn't settle for comfort, and she doesn't allow anyone to pull her off her path. That clarity, that focus, that unshakable purpose makes her unstoppable and deeply respected. Men fear losing women who can transform pain into power. She's not bitter about what hurt her. She's grateful it taught her. She doesn't sit in her wounds. She rises from them. Every heartbreak, every betrayal, every disappointment has shaped her into someone wiser and stronger. She doesn't carry resentment. She carries lessons. And that resilience makes her untouchable. Because you can't break someone who has already rebuilt herself. You can't scare someone who has already faced her deepest fears and walked out stronger. Her scars are not shameful. They are symbols of survival. And that kind of strength can't be taught. It's earned through fire. Men fear losing women who choose peace over popularity. She's not interested in fitting in or being liked by everyone. She's interested in being at peace with herself. She doesn't gossip, she doesn't compete, and she doesn't engage in meaningless drama. Her standards are too high for that. She's learned that silence is more powerful than noise, and peace is more valuable than attention. She walks away from negativity with G-skivi, diptorin di fa race, not arrogance. She doesn't need to prove she's right. She knows that truth reveals itself in time. And when a man realizes that her calmness comes from inner strength, he also realizes how easily she can disappear from anything that disturbs it. Men fear losing women who make them feel safe enough to be vulnerable. Because real strength doesn't come from dominance, it comes from trust. She creates a space where